Hello to my second video in the series Learning Python. I just want to mention before starting that I got the Udemy course Automating the Boring Stuff with Python, so I hope it helps. And now let's start with functions and arguments. So first let me make a function without arguments, a very generic name. Dot points. Let's call the function. And yes, it worked as expected. Now, I really need to get used to the indentation because it's sometimes annoying. What if I add 4 spaces? Will that work? Yes. 3? Probably not. Yes. So, wait. 1 space. Oh, wait. So, 2. It works. So, it seems like it depends on the indentation. Like, so, wait. Let me test that. Oops. Why? What will happen if I did that? Yeah, just errored. Alright, so let's see if that will work. Yes. Okay, let me just make it a tab because it looks better. Now let's add some arguments and pass some parameters. So 1, I will make them multiply together and print output. Let's pass 4 and 4, for example. Okay, 6 and 6. There it works. So yeah. How about a function inside a function? So f here. Okay, what if I try to pull this outside? I'm pretty sure it will just error. Yep. What? So if I called it inside here, it will work, I think. Yes. I wonder what would happen. Probably an error. Yeah. Alright. That's very nice. I think that's it for this video.